Is it time to buy or sell Affirm Holdings stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Affirm Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, December 20, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 7, 2023, our system has identified Affirm Holdings as a promising investment opportunity, with a score of 1.61. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance over this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 106.02% since we initially recommended Affirm Holdings as a buy candidate 31 days ago. This means an average daily return of 3.42% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend, indicating the potential for further growth. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 115.64% change in the stock's value, with a potential return ranging from 53.23% to 141.14%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a 65.37% change, with a potential return ranging from -28.21% to 83.64%. This translates to a price range of $32.67 to $83.58 after 1 year. Our latest update for Affirm Holdings focuses on the stock price movement on Wednesday. The stock experienced high volatility and ended the trading day at $45.51. On Wednesday, December 20, 2023, the Affirm Holdings stock price decreased by 9.81%, dropping from $50.46 to $45.51. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 14.07%, ranging from a low of $45.48 to a high of $51.88. The price has been fluctuating during this period, with a 18.58% gain over the last 2 weeks. It is worth noting that the trading volume decreased along with the stock, which is generally considered a positive sign as volume should follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 12 million shares on the last day, and a total of 46 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.08 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded was $51.88, while the lowest price was $8.62. Currently, the price is 12.28% or $6.37 below the 52-week high. Moreover, it is 74.24% or $131.14 below the all-time high, which occurred on November 8, 2021, when the price reached $176.65. Analyst ratings. In recent reports, Mizuho Securities gave AFRM a buy grade with a hold action on Wednesday, December 20, 2023. Similarly, Morgan Stanley downgraded AFRM with an underweight grade on Monday, December 18, 2023. Moving on to November, Jefferies upgraded AFRM with a hold grade on Tuesday, November 28, 2023. On Thursday, November 9, 2023, Wedbush gave AFRM an underperform grade with a hold action. Similarly, Wells Fargo assigned an equal weight grade with a hold action to AFRM on Thursday, November 9, 2023. Analysts have given Affirm Holdings stock a general rating of buy. They consider the PE ratio to be a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we're going to discuss the signals that have been identified for Affirm Holdings. Affirm Holdings stock shows positive signs, with buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a promising forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relation between the two moving averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In terms of support levels, we can expect some assistance from the lines at $44.63 and $31.92. However, if the stock price falls below these levels, sell signals may be issued. Moving on, we have a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. This further supports the positive outlook. It is important to note that there have been some negative signals as well, which may impact the short-term development of the stock. For instance, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 19, 2023, resulting in a decline of -9.81% so far. It is expected that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is identified. Lastly, it is worth mentioning that volume fell along with the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk, as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator is showing a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal 525 days ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 36 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also shows a buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 32 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see the following. The short moving average suggests a buy signal 35 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 144 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Affirm Holdings. Affirm Holdings has found support from accumulated volume at $44.40. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as it is expected to trigger an upward reaction when tested. However, it's important to note that this stock can experience significant volatility throughout the day. In fact, it is considered to be a very high-risk stock due to its wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. Over the past day, the stock has shown a $6.40 price range, representing a 14.07% difference between its highest and lowest points. Looking at the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 10.36%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Affirm Holdings, let's quickly go over some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now, in other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 14, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.0600. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Affirm Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Affirm Holdings stands at $50.46. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Affirm Holdings encounters its first support level at $44.40. If this support level remains strong, it could potentially serve as a great entry point, with hopes of a rebound. The average rating for Affirm Holdings, according to multiple analyst sources, is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 19, 2023, Linford Michael conducted an insider sell, offloading 65,000 shares of stock option, right to buy. On December 19, 2023, Linford Michael made an insider buy, acquiring 65,000 shares of Class A common stock. On December 15, 2023, Linford Michael conducted an insider sell, selling 15,000 shares of Class A common stock. On December 19, 2023, Linford Michael conducted another insider sell, this time disposing of 65,000 shares of Class A common stock. On December 11, 2023, GIC Private Ltd. conducted an insider sell, getting rid of 135,008 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, our calculations show a negative insider power ratio of -18.370. In total, insiders have purchased 2,478,858 shares and sold 3,200,580 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $42.95, which represents a decrease of 5.62%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, resulting in a high level of risk. It is important to note that a sell signal was detected from a pivot top just 1 day ago. Is Affirm Holdings stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a general good trend for Affirm Holdings stock. This indicates that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. However, we have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. When we analyze the volatility and movements of the stock for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, December 21st, we expect Affirm Holdings to open up $2.11 and start trading at $47.62. Before we begin, it's essential to understand that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's strongly recommended to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us does not serve as a basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so make sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our future content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day ahead. Thank you for being part of our Stock Invest community.